everyone, welcome to Mr. Crafts. Today I'll show you how to make a stress ball using slime, a balloon, and a funnel. Now let's get started. Yeah! Now we'll start making the stress ball. And first you'll have to get the balloon on the funnel first. And then I got a stand to make it easier for one person, for me, and I just put it on. Next, to pour the slime in the funnel. After you poured in the slime, you could take it off and tie it. Now you have your own stress ball, and you can bring it anywhere you want and playing with it. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!